Candied sweet potatoes are usually thought of as a holiday side to go with your ham or turkey. Candied sweet potatoes go with just about anything. They're great all through the year. The amount that you make is going to depend on how many people you got coming and what other entrees you have to go with your dinner. I'm using yams because 5.29 ounces of yams is 14 milligrams of sodium. Some sweet potatoes go from 70 to 72 milligrams. So we are going with the dark skin purple yams. The recipe for candied sweet potatoes is your download available for this lecture. Candied sweet potatoes are just so easy to make. 3 medium yams cut, weighed in at my house at 1 pound. I'm not doing a huge pan. It's just Johnny and I for dinner. I'm cooking this 1 pound of yams in a 12 by 7.5 inch baking pan. So I took 1 cube of unsalted butter, buttered it very generously, melted my butter. In this bowl, I have 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, just a dash of cloves. I'm not even calling it a sprinkle, just choop, give it a little bit of zip. Nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon, and ginger, another little dash. The butter is melted. The dry ingredients get mixed up in with the butter. Just makes it a little bit easier. Going to layer our yams. Yams, and then their butter mixture on the top. I try to cut these at 1/3 of an inch. I don't want them real big. That's going to be nice. 1 layer. Going to put some of this on the top. Then another layer of potatoes. And put this on the top again. If you need to make a larger pan, just increase all the ingredients accordingly. Cover them tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil. Then bake them for 30 minutes. We'll take them out, baste those yams. I'm going to cover these, put them in my oven. The aroma in this house is amazing. Our yams need to be basted with this good stuff that's on here. Wrapped up tight, put back in the oven for another 30 minutes. You don't want to crowd your pan. The more you put in, the longer it's going to take you to cook them. And we want some distance between the yams and the top. If you fill it too full, it's going to boil over on your oven. I've done that before and it is no fun to clean up. These are basted. Wrap them up tight again, back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Our candied yams are soft and smelling good. In our pan is 42 milligrams of sodium. Different medical conditions require people to stay under different amounts of sodium every day. if your sodium allowance allows it, and you like them, you can put a cup of miniature marshmallows on the top. They are 40 milligrams of sodium for 1 cup. We're going to put some on the top of ours. I'm going to put a lot on mine. Some people just like to cover them completely. I just never have. I like just to have a little bit on there. Return these to the oven with those little marshmallows. As you can see, there's no need to boil your yams before you make the sweet potatoes. These are all soft. We've got beautiful syrup. But you can't see the marshmallows because I'm only making enough for Johnny and I to have for a couple of meals. My syrup would definitely have done another yam. Had I made another one, you'd be able to see little browned marshmallows on the top. But we still got the flavor going through them. These are good. Enjoy your candied sweet potatoes. We're going to enjoy ours.